another quick unboxing video for you guys. And today we're taking a look at the Omni Sling from Boxer Tactical. It is a sling that gives you multiple different attachment points and methods to attach to guns that you might not normally have, and allows it to fit on pretty much every gun that you might own. So let's take a quick look at it, shall we? Okay guys, back in the bench here, we're going to go ahead and take a look at this Boxer Tactical Omni Sling and what makes it tick, and then we'll have a full review coming out later after this unboxing. So first of all, it comes with a sweet card topper and a poly bag. Nobody cares about these things. This is what this thing comes in when you order it. They don't really have a retail store, so you will be ordering and getting it delivered. They threw in a cool Boxer Tactical patch, as well as a cute little Boxer Tactical sticker for all the sticker things you could ever sticker. So they didn't know that I was doing a review on this. There's no nothing was discussed beforehand anyways. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look at what the sling itself is and why you might want it or you might not, and obviously we'll get into more of it before review. So here's the sling itself. As you can see, it is a very, very thin, very minimalist sling. We'll get into in the actual review, contrasting with some of the other slings out there like the Magpul MS series and things like that. But at the core is simply a 2-point sling with the little alligator clips, exactly whatever they're called, and they allow you to go ahead and attach different ends to it. So what they do is they give you 2 of each, so you have 3 different ends. There's this one here that has the it's a Kevlar loop, and pop that right in there. Then there is the just cloth loop for going around like a stock or through the stock holes or whatever. Toss that in there, and then the HK style match hook. So like I said, they give you 2 of each, so you can do each end as however you like, and it should give you the chance to configure your sling for pretty much any gun that you'd actually have a sling for. Now, they're very, very big on made in the USA stuff, and again, we'll cover that in the review, but everything here is made in the USA, sourced from the USA. I did go ahead and get the multicam version. They do have black and tan, so all the cool kid colors. And yeah, so that's the sling itself. There's a really quick adjustment here. You go ahead and run this back and forth, and that is basically how you're going to adjust the sling. Obviously, there's slack we can take up with that little keeper there. So they do give you a little keeper, elastic keeper there. So, so it's very, very minimalistic. It is not designed for like quick transitions between 2-point, 1-point, things like that. It is not designed for like the Magpul, the bigger slings, things like that, where you can go and attach them to yourself and then kind of adjust the length of pull on a sling on the fly. You can, it's just not as fast or as intuitive as those other ones. I'd be very interested to see about replacing that buckle and then, you know, getting a maybe a quick adjust on there. So, but it's definitely long enough for anything that I might need. I mean, when it's out to its longest length, it's almost unusable for me. And I'm about 5'8", 230, something like that. Just recently came back from the hospital, so if I look like I've been doing some what dreams may come stuff going on here, no, I've just had a lot of IVs lately. So, but anyways, guys, the sling itself is very, very adjustable. You do have the adjustability in your length there, and obviously how you attach to these. Now the thing is that these are not sold separately. These are what come with it. So you have 2 of each, and you know, so it's, if you have a gun that you're like, man, I don't want to put a QD on, or, you know, hey, I've got this old, you know, Mauser or something laying around, I want to just wrap something around the stock, that on there. The Kevlar loops are really nice. They're very much like the Blue Force gear, the UDMs, I think they're called, and you basically just, you know, slide whatever through, and you can cinch them up nice and tight, so you can go like a 1-point or a QD clip or something like that. So what we're going to do here on the actual review is we'll go ahead and set up a couple of these guns just the way that I like it with these. Now, I do apologize if there's a fan noise in the background. It is like 105 in here, and I'm dying. So if you hear the fan, I apologize. But yeah, we'll go ahead and we'll save that for the actual review, guys. For 40 bucks, so far, I dropped everything on the floor. I really like it. I got it on sale through their Labor Day promotion for 30. Plus shipping, so it's about 35 bucks. and they shipped very, very quickly. So far, the unboxing, I'm pretty happy with it. It is a pretty quality feeling item. The stitching is really nice. They even go ahead and put their tag on there. And I haven't seen a whole lot of like fraying or anything like that. It definitely does feel much lighter than your normal sling. So to that in mind. And get this here. The ends are really, really nicely cut and then burned. You see that they did a real good job finishing that end off there. So everything looks good. I mean, it's clearly done by people that know what they're doing as far as sewing stuff. And yeah, I was surprised that I was able to get a good multicam pattern out for the same price as like a black or a tan. So definitely worth looking into. Guys, go ahead and take a look at this. See what you think. Put some questions down there. We will go ahead and start with that review pretty soon here. And yeah, you'll see what we got going on for the Omni Sling and what I think about it, what I like, what I don't like. Guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe, especially these days when we have, oh boy, the Brave stuff going on. We've got the guy that burned all the people alive at Waco going on. We got a president who's going to call Russia and tell them to see what he wants to see. It's terrible. So, guys, it definitely helps. You like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell your friends about us, only the cool ones. Don't ever tell bad friends about us. And if your friend works for a 3-letter agency, definitely don't. So, guys, all right, burning my head here. So, guys, love you. You've been wonderful. Thanks for sticking with me. Talk to you next time. Play.